6 is sunrise. So we are 15 minutes before sunrise. Shot him right between those two tree trunks there. Amazingly, he stopped perfectly without me having to stop him, so that worked out really, really well. I have another tag, so we're going to sit here and be patient. Well, it's been an hour since I shot. Haven't seen any more deer, so I'm about 98% sure he died very close by. Got a visual marker. There's an odd looking tree right there where he was standing, so check for blood. It's one of my favorite parts of deer hunting, is looking for blood at the site of the shot and tracking. I don't think I'm going to be tracking this one very far though. Make sure my camera's running here. Well, I see the deer. I didn't find blood yet, but I see the deer. He hardly went far at all. Here he is. Jeez. There's the blood. Follow backwards maybe. Not a big buck, but I'm very proud of it. Not bad at all, sir. It's gonna be some good eating. Awesome. Let me set my gun down here. Take a look at his antlers. Not bad. Not bad at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point. Interesting. Boy, his tips are all broken off from fighting. Boy, he didn't even go 20 yards. He probably went about 15 yards. It's amazing. That's what I like. I didn't realize he went down that close. That was crazy. Drag him over here a little bit into the light. You can smell his tarsal glands. There we go. That's better. I can get some of this off and take some photos. Great shot. Put him down almost instantly. Get a selfie if I can. It's gonna be tough to do. Well, like I said, this is day 9 since I saw a deer. Took extreme patience and stubbornness, but it definitely paid off. So I think I'm gonna follow this blood trail backwards to the point of impact. I always like to do that. And then the fun stuff begins. Got to tag him here and go back, take off some of these warm clothes, and clean him and drag him out of here. He's a big deer. It's gonna be a hell of a workout. Thanks for watching.